Good evening, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XM and Future Digibyte OG. So, guys, I know I'm in class, but my class agreed to let me do this. We're talking about volume today, so I'm going to show each and every one of you how to discover or see or just understand what you're seeing with volume if we're in a bearish or bullish scenario. And this is the easiest way I can show you. So I'm going to make up a chart. This is called... So we're buying into stock of Tom's Army, right? That looks like ass, but Tom's Army. So, okay, price action's moving along. Volume's moving along, right? So then we have something like this. Whoa, should we buy into Tom's Army? Look at this, guys. No, we should not. We've had no increase in volume, which means all we did was we went up to a support or resistance level because we had no active selling. We have no selling pressure, which caused a price surge. No institutions came in. This is just same thing. Not even just institutions. We have no increase in volume. It's just we should have no change in price. We should just be trading along, which means eventually with no price or volume action, it still stayed straight. Nothing increased. It could have descended. It doesn't even matter. The price is eventually going to come back down and meet it, and we're going to carry on our very way. And whoever was on before, they got a nice action. If it comes back down, they missed out on it. It's that simple. And then if you bought it up here with no volume increase, you fucked yourself. Now, in a bullish scenario where you're like, hey, Tom's Army, heard about this new shit coin. You know, should we buy it? Oh, yeah, guys, I forgot when I record, you get paused. That's my class, guys. They're like, what the fuck's going on? We can't see this. So, in a bullish scenario, so we got the price action coming along, right? Price action's coming along. All of a sudden, Tom's Army spikes up. Holy shit. Well, that means volume. Well, now we got some institutions coming in, and then it steadies out, right? Then we have price action and the volume. We had a nice increase. We decreased to get back to the higher low, which will be created right here. Then we have right here, we have another spike indicating a nice rise in price, and we have consolidation, but we're always having an increase, then consolidation, and an increase again where warranted. That is the simplest way to tell you how you know if you're in a bullish or bearish scenario. Now let's go into what we're at on XRP and all these other ones. All we're seeing is selling pressure, right? Let's go to XRP because I got to end this because I still have class. I am teaching you the patience game. I half thought this was going to work, but I forgot you guys can't see when I'm recording. So anyhow, the price action never changes, guys. The only time you get an increase in price is when you have decreasing volume, or a decrease in price is the increase in volume. When you have an increase in volume, you have the same volume until you start coming back down. That is a very bearish scenario. This is all bearish. The only price action is when we're decreasing. You want increasing volume on price action increases. So T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire, I've been XM and Future Digibyte OG. You guys are lucky because my class had to sit through and you get to see him talking. So stay true, stay blessed.